adjust my lead, turn up my heat. If it ain't round,
we got us a dumpster wheel. Fell off. It needs to be cut off. Alright, in here. Damn cord. I got my cutoff wheel, my grinder, it's a D-Walk grinder. And today, I think I'll be wearing these safety glasses. Yeah, at least safety glasses. Let's see. I can knock it off with a hammer now. Jesus Christ. That bottom well needs a little bit of caressing on that bottom one. That thing's still stuck pretty good. Not a good place to be, but you know. Alright, let's see what's stuck here. I can almost see through the whole damn thing. A little bit on the bottom, over here. And about here somewhere. Yeah. Go on the top corner, but I'm never going to be able to do this because I get caught every 5 seconds, so I'm just going to ignore it. Let's go get the hammer. Well, I got Miley Cyrus here. That's her name. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit, but I need to widen the gap. There we go. Get out, boy. There. Just grind that shit flat. I need to do one more hit. Alright, so we need to do one more hit. Straighten that back out. What I'm doing is closing the gaps here. See? These gaps are torn here. I'm going to have to weld that. And then I'll weld a new caster onto it. Yeah, day in the life of Jeffrey right here. So, well, at least I got it cleaned up. This is probably one of the best looking ones yet. So I'm gonna try to keep it that way. But I don't know about that little crappy welder we got. I don't know. Get the grinder in there and probably get some of that stuff off. But till then, I'll be back with the welder. Guys, since I got a GoPro and not my glasses this time, if you want to see welding from my point of perspective on a video, there's one somewhere. It's like I broke the dumpsters, don't tell my boss, I think is the title of it. But basically I'm going to be putting this on here, welding it however I can. Okay, y'all can't see. Welding it however I can, get it as centered as I can, and just start welding it, tack it at first and then weld it. Doesn't matter which direction because these pivot, but that's the plan. So let's see if we can do that before my battery goes dead. I don't know how much I'll be able to see, but alright, whatever. Try to get the top part here welded. Got the side. Little mine. That part tear right there. Dog, man, filling in that hole. Like a 1/4 inch hole. Spotty welder, but it does the job. It starts doing bump, 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 bump. That. Flux welding, I think I would pass somebody, not to become certified in welding, but I'd almost pass somebody because so here's the welds. Yeah, I got a wire brush. There's with flux welding, flux core welding, you're always gonna have, it's not going to be that perfect weld you're looking for. It's probably this. You're going to have splatter up the ass. I mean, look at that. But still, this welding right here, I mean, there's professional welders out there just laughing right now. I'm sure y'all watching. Like, look at all the pit holes. Well, we don't have a gas, we don't have argon and all that bullshit, but it definitely did help cleaning the area very well before I started welding. I mean, these welds are penetrating in some areas are not. Which, like I said, it's not that bad of a deal for what it is, because these things break off anyway, and what happens is this metal is just thin sheet metal hooked a 1/4 inch. These will bow under, bend the metal, and just tear it like paper. So really it needed the 1/4 inch up here and the other stuff down below. But guys, I'm just welding on a brand new dumpster wheel, and this is the results of it right here. It doesn't look too bad. It has a lot of those diddy balls is what I call them. But I'm going to go ahead and just finish up this area here and a little bit on the underside here, and maybe yeah, I'm going to do this area here, and definitely the crack right here, because it's going to be our next problem if I don't. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. My battery's almost dead. Until then, till the next time, you guys stay safe. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all take care.